Hi guys, and welcome back to this journey towards excellent exam results. In these shorter revision videos, we are going to be breaking down different concepts within the GCSE geography specification. The aim of this is to help us understand the concepts better and to give us the information and confidence we need to answer exam questions. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the biosphere, biomes, and how latitude influences the location of the Earth's biomes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what and where are the Earth's biomes? And the first thing that I'd like us to look at are the key terms. And the key terms here, the first is biosphere. And this is the living layer of the Earth between the lithosphere and the atmosphere. So this contains all the animals and plants that are on the Earth. Now we know that the plants are referred to as flora and the animals are referred to as fauna. Then a biome is one of the large ecosystems that are found on the Earth. So examples here would be the tropical rainforest or the taiga biome. Then we have latitude, and latitude is how far north or south of the equator a place is. Now, when talking about biomes, temperature and rainfall are the most important factors for determining whether plants and animals are going to thrive or not. And this means that latitude is important in determining where the different biomes are found. And this is because latitude determines temperature and rainfall. And we know that for forest biomes to thrive, they will need that temperature and rainfall for the process of photosynthesis so that the plants can actually be able to grow and thrive in that kind of environment. So forest biomes are found in areas of low pressure and high rainfall. And we know from the global atmospheric circulation that those areas that have high rainfall are the ITCZ, which is right here, as you can see at the equator, and that's where you have low pressure. Low pressure means that the air is going to be rising here, and at the equator the air is rising because of the insolation from the sun. So that insolation causes the air to warm up, and as it warms up it becomes less dense and therefore rises. And when it rises it will cool down and condense to form clouds, and that will give you rainfall. And that's why tropical rainforest biomes are found in around the ITCZ due to that low pressure and obviously high rainfall and high temperatures. Then we also have rainfall in these areas here. So this is at around 60 degrees latitude, and these areas also have low pressure. And the reason for that is that they are getting cold air from the polar regions and warmer air coming from the tropics. And when those two air masses meet, the warm air rises above the cold air. And as that happens, low pressure is created, which then causes clouds to form like they formed here, and that cloud formation then gives you rainfall, and you get those the temperate forests in that particular area there. Okay, so high pressure areas on the other hand have low rainfall, and that will restrict tree growth. And at the boundaries of the cells in these areas, or in such areas, we find deserts and then grasslands in between them. So as you can see here, we have a desert here, we have a desert biome here, and another desert biome here in the southern hemisphere. And that's because it's a high pressure area, as you can see here, because the air here is sinking. And the sinking air obviously is not going to yield any cloud formation and therefore no rainfall. And so it's very dry, and those dry conditions are not suitable for a forest to thrive. And then in between, as you can see here, we have the tropical grasslands here, and tropical grasslands as well in the southern hemisphere. And then further on, again in the area in between the high and low pressure areas, we have temperate grasslands in the southern hemisphere and temperate grasslands in the northern hemisphere. That brings us to the end of this video on the Earth's biomes and their location. I hope that you have found the information insightful and useful. I have also done a video covering the whole of topic 7 on people and the biosphere. It will pop up as one of the suggested videos at the end of this one and can be found in the people and the biosphere playlist as well. Videos on all the other subtopics within this topic are also in the playlist. Thanks once again for joining in this journey towards excellent exam results. All the best and see you again soon. Bye-bye.